Powerful people make places powerful.
I have a one vector here, okay, and I have another vector here like this, okay. And let this is my another vector here. Similarly here also, let us suppose this is one vector, this is another vector, this is one more vector, okay. Okay, suppose this is something is given, okay, I don't know what is given, but yeah, something is given. Suppose this is my A vector, this is my B vector, this is my C, and they will ask you to find the relation between A, B and C. They will ask you to find the relation between A and B, C. This type of question lot of times it come in the exam. So what you have to do, you have to simply move in the cycle. One cycle you choose and move in that cycle, okay. See, if it is going, the arrow is given going in the same direction, so you will write A vector. This is also going in same direction, so you will write plus B vector. This is going in opposite direction, the arrow is like this and it is we are going like this, so I will write minus C vector. So from here what we will get, we get A vector this is a triangle law of addition. It is not a, you have to simply apply this thing, okay, triangle law of addition, okay. Lot of children are confused like how to apply triangle law of addition. Now you will never will be confused. What you have to simply do, you have to simply do one thing, just mark a circle and then you have to simply move inside the circle, which is along the direction, write it as plus, which is opposite to the direction of movement, write it as a minus. Simple. Simply here also, suppose this is the thing, this is my vector A, vector B, vector C, then vector D, then vector E, then vector F, then vector G, then vector H, then vector I. If you move, you will do this, you will get this expression, vector A plus vector B plus vector B C plus vector D plus vector E plus vector F plus vector G plus vector H plus vector I is equal to 0. This is the expression you will get here, okay, clear. So this is called as a polygon law of addition, okay, polygon law of addition. So no need to remember any law, okay, just you have to follow this thing which I told you, okay. You can solve any question by this, okay. That is a solution for that is it's a trick, a simple trick. You have to make a circle and just move inside the circle, you will get the answer directly. No need to follow anything like remember anything, just you have to make a circle which is along the direction, write it as positive, which is opposite to the direction, write it as a negative. Simple, okay. Angle between two vectors. Always remember one thing, okay, which I am going to tell you. Angle between two vectors is angle between head to tail. That means whenever you have to find the angle, you have to see whether they are head to head or join or not, or tail to tail or join or not. That means this thing is called as a head, this arrow is called as a head, and this thing is called as a tail. So for example, suppose there is a one vector like this, okay, and another vector is like this, and there is a one vector like this, and there is another vector like this, okay. And suppose the angle is, here is theta, that is equal to 30 degree, and suppose here the angle is theta, that is equal to 60 degree. So here what is and suppose this vector is A, and suppose this vector is B, and suppose here this vector is A, and suppose here this vector is B. So what is the angle between A and B? Between A and B is here is equal to 60 degree. Clear? So here we can say that directly the angle is between either the angle between their head to head, okay, or either the angle between their tail to tail. So let us take some example. Suppose this is my one vector, and there is a one another vector is there, okay. This vector is, suppose you take it as A vector, and this vector you take it as, this angle you take it as 60 degree, and this is my B vector. You have to find the angle between vector A and vector B, okay. What will be the answer? Okay, if you see properly, whether it is head to head or tail to tail, no one is there. So what you have to do? How will you make head to head or tail to tail? You have to move the vector parallelly. I explained in the first topic only. We can move the vector parallelly. This is possible. We can do the parallel shifting. Here we explain. So here we can also do the parallel shifting. Yes or no? So if we shift this parallel upward, slightly upward, it will become like this. If we shift this vector parallelly, it will become like this. Yes or no? Oh, sorry. It will become like this. What is this angle will be then? This is 60 degree, so this will be 120 degree. Yes or no? 120 degree only. I think it is not visible. Let me bring it down. Now it will be visible. Okay, that will be 120 degree. So that means the answer will be what? The answer is 120 degree, not 60 degree. This is the correct answer. Okay, those who answered 60 degree, it is wrong. I told you only now only that is angle between the two vectors is angle between head to head or tail to tail. So those who have answered 60 degree, it is wrong. It should be 120 degree. Clear? Let's take one more example for your practice. Suppose this is a one vector A, this is the another vector B, and there is another vector C is there, okay. Suppose this angle is 60 degree, and this angle is 30 degree, and this vector is vector A, this vector is vector B, and this vector is vector C. You have to find angle between vector A and B, then angle between vector A and C, and angle between vector B and B and C. That is my question. If you see, this is angle between vector vector A and B. So vector A and B, what is this angle? What will be the angle between vector A and B? So if you see A and B, this will be 60 plus 30 is 90. So 360 minus 90 will be how much? 270 degree. So that means this angle will be 270 degree because they are joined head to head. See, they are joined head to head. Now A and C, you have to see the vector A and vector C. So these are the two vectors, but they are not joined head to head. We have to extend it. See, this arrow is going like this and this arrow is going like this. So they are not joined head to head. So we have to extend the vector. So let us extend it. Okay, let us extend. So if we extend, it will be like this. So what is this angle will be then? It will be 270, half will be how much? 135 degree. Yes or no? So this is my 135 degree half angle. clear. So this will become 135 degree, clear. Similarly, vector B and vector C. See, vector B and vector C is also not joined head to head. So we will extend this vector. So this angle will be again 135 degree. Okay. So angle between vector B and vector C will be 135 degree. Yeah. So we got the answer. So this answer is 270, 135, 135. Clear? Anyone have